Hi, I'm Faith Schexnayder, and I'm here at Flat Fork Studio, and I'm going to show you how to draw out a pattern for your mosaic project. First of all, I have in mind to do a quilt pattern, which is very simple because it's broken down into very simple geometric shapes. And I plan on putting them onto this board. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out on a sheet of paper. I'm going to get a piece of paper. I'm going to take my surface that I want to adhere the tiles to and go ahead and draw my outline just so that I know what my parameters are. Then I'm going to what I'm going to do is recreate one of these pieces that I created earlier. And to do that, I have my piece. I'm going to split this in 4 quadrants because I want 4 of these panels each. So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to place, I'm just using this bucket because it makes a perfect template. And I'm going to draw. I'm just going to go around all 4 corners here. Like so. And there I have my basic pattern of where I want my tiles to go. And that is how you, I'm sorry.
That's okay, just speak the line, I can't see your face.
Okay. That is how you draw your preliminary pattern for your mosaic.